eToro Crypto Review. Watch before using. If you're considering eToro for crypto trading, keep watching. The links to sign up for eToro are in the description below if you're interested. eToro is a social trading platform that's well known for bringing simplicity and unique social features to the world of crypto and stock trading. For crypto investors, it offers a range of major coins including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and many others, along with a user-friendly app that makes managing crypto investments straightforward. One of eToro's standout features is its copy trader functionality, allowing users to mimic the trades of experienced investors automatically. This feature is ideal for beginners who want to learn by following the moves of seasoned traders. Copy Trader not only helps newcomers gain insights, but also diversifies their portfolios without requiring extensive market knowledge. Additionally, the platform has a unique crypto portfolio option, which is a pre-assembled basket of different cryptocurrencies managed by eToro's team. This feature is useful for investors looking for broader exposure across various crypto assets without having to manage each individually. eToro's advanced security protocols, including data encryption and two-factor authentication, ensure that users' funds and personal information are safeguarded, making it suitable for both beginner and intermediate traders who prioritize security and ease of use. The platform is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, which adds an extra layer of trust and protection for users. However, note that eToro does have some fees, especially on crypto trades and currency conversions, which can add up depending on trading volume. In summary, eToro is crafted for those who want a blend of social features, simplicity, and a range of crypto investment options. Whether you're a beginner seeking guidance or an experienced trader wanting straightforward tools, make sure to evaluate if eToro's fees align with your trading goals. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more insights on crypto and trading platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.